Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Equities. First, you will need to create your free account by providing some basic personal information and completing a quick verification process. Once registered, fund your account using one of several convenient methods, such as an electronic funds transfer or a credit card. The platform is designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly navigate through various investment opportunities and manage your portfolio effectively. Now, let's dive into making your first investment. Use the search bar to find specific shares or exchange-traded funds that align with your financial goals. Easy Equities allows you to invest any amount you choose, starting from as little as 10 Rand, thanks to fractional share investing. This means you can own a piece of even the most expensive companies without needing to buy a full share. It truly makes investing accessible to everyone. Keeping an eye on your investments is simple with Easy Equities. Your dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio's performance, including any gains or losses. It is wise to periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it continues to align with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. When you are ready to access your funds, you can easily withdraw from your available cash balance directly into your nominated bank account. Easy Equities offers significant advantages, including remarkably low brokerage fees, which helps maximize your investment returns. Fractional investing is a game changer, enabling you to diversify across many assets with modest capital. Remember, a long-term investment approach, focusing on consistent contributions and patience, often yields the most favorable results. Start your investment journey today and watch your wealth grow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.